Hello everyone and welcome to my channel LB Plans. Today I am doing a cash stuffing. I have my notes here, so I'm not going to hold you long. I'm just going to get into it. So today I am stuffing based off of my paycheck. I get paid twice a month, and I believe that I am stuffing a total of $1,170. Don't quote me on that because there was a lot of things that kind of happened and I don't know. So I have my little cheat sheet here, and I already went to the bank, so I'm gonna get that out the back and let's see what we have. I hope everyone is having a great day. That should be 12. Did I count? See, I count in my head, not out loud. So yeah, let me count this real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I did have that right. That's 600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, so that should be 440. And I just use a calculator. So hold on, let me grab my calculator. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30. Is that 130? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm happy I counted that again. And 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it's 1,180. Okay. The reason why I'm a little off is because when I redid my budget, something was not correct and I was negative $13.75. So I just took the $15 from grocery, so I had to drop my grocery down to $360, which is why I wasn't sure what the exact number was going to be. Quick math didn't work, so 1,195 minus 15 is 1,180, and that's what we have. So let's get started. I've already cleaned off all of my dashboards and wiped them clean. Where do I want to start? I tried not to do big bills this go round for multiple reasons, but yeah, it was just a pain in the butt. So let's get this. Oh, let's move you out the way so I can try to have everything somewhat in frame. I hope you guys are having a great day. It has been very hot, very humid, and very rainy, but that's what I expect in Florida. So, and I hope you guys can hear me because I'm having a big issue with my microphone. So yeah. All right, so back to school is getting 75, and I'm actually hoping to reduce this. I think I overspend a lot for back to school. But there's a lot of things that I include in back to school that are not technically back to school things, but I like to create like little packs, little hygiene packs for their backpacks every year, with like toiletry items that they could need in case of an emergency, deodorant, lotion, hand wipes, you know, it's a whole plethora of stuff in there. So because of that, I always kind of overstuff, and I also use back to school for like lunch money and to get initially going. So back to school should now have, oh wait a minute, yeah, see, back to school is a tricky one because it should be, I've contributed $725, but I've also already spent $243, so it should be $482 to $350. Really, Lawanda? 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. 10, 11, 12. Yep. So for us, school comes back like the second week in August, which is actually kind of funny. The school system has changed so much that they're going back into school so much earlier. When I was in the school system, we went to school like at the end of August, but now they're coming in at the beginning of August, and that's just weird because it's before my birthday or on my birthday now, and I've never went to school on my birthday, and I just think that's weird. So car maintenance is getting $25 because nothing reminds you that your birthday is coming up more than registration for your tags. So it should be $245 in here, 100, 50, 20, 70, 90, 210, 220, 230, 235, 240, 245. So yep, I gotta do car meet, get my tags renewed. And I would like to get them renewed actually in July. I don't want to wait till August because August gets crazy for me. Clothing is not getting anything, so it's still 100 in there. Costco's gets 50. This came in handy with my budget, keeping me in budget for groceries. So 150, 70, 80 is now Costco's 180. Fun stuff still has 25 in it, but we are going to add 25 to it because the rain kept us from doing anything. So now it has 50. Household, this is my month. This is the part of the month where I stuff household. I only stuff it once a month and it gets $100. How did I break that up? I did 50. I'm really good on household items, so it's about time for me to buy some paper towels and toilet paper, but you know, it's no rush. We're good. So household now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140. And I think what I need is going to cost 40, so that 100 might sit in there for a while. Although I need to create a new envelope. I'm going to do some projects around the house. Grooming is also, this is the once a month that grooming gets stuff and it gets 100. Am I doing 50 on grooming? I am. I probably am overstuffing grooming, but I don't know. We'll just see. If I don't see much usage and it's almost time for a new tracker for grooming, then I'll decrease it because I need money elsewhere. So 150, 70, 90, 210, 230, 245. All right, medical and dental has 20. It's not getting anything. Personal care, I believe this one's getting 30. It already has 50 in it. And that's really for me, so now it has 80. Planner supplies gets 30, even though I've already spent it. That's neither here or there. Sam's gets nothing. Spending gets 70. How did I break up spending? Because I feel like I don't need a 50. I did put a 50 in spending. Oh, well. My son, he will get 15. He has 5 now. So now he has 20. And we're gonna have to stack that up because he's gonna be expecting some compensation pretty soon. Zoe, yeah, she brought some Robux. So she'll get 15, so now she has 20 as well. I'm not putting anything in my oldest son's, and yeah. So that's it for my main cash envelopes. Move that over here. Let's go to annual. I don't know if I have anything in here because I've taken a lot of stuff out. So let's see. Termite bond, nope. Property, nope. Nope, just paid car insurance. I'm not putting anything in Christmas. Nothing in, am I putting anything in anniversary? Nope, not this go around. Emergency savings has 10,000. Any birthdays? Was I putting anything? I did put money in my birthday, but it's a placeholder just because it's in my savings account because my birthday's not until August, so I didn't feel the need to actually pull cash out for it. So I have 300 saved. I actually probably could switch that to a fully funded. I'm not putting anything in anyone else's birthdays. What about the holidays? I'm not doing it in holidays either. Well, that sucks. I think I know why. Because this check I had to pay the property insurance, and it was really expensive. This go around, not the property insurance, the car insurance, and now I'm saving for the property insurance because it's due at the end of the month, and that was a significant jump here in North Florida. I'm just going through making sure I didn't miss anything, and I didn't. So yep, I'm not doing holidays this go around. That's on next check. Okay, so nothing really in here. Savings challenges, I'm gonna stuff it later, but I only was able to add $10, and then this is money that was saved from grocery and eating out from the previous week. So 10, 20, 30, 45. So I'm hoping I have enough to stuff 25 and 15, which that is what, 40. So I do have enough, but maybe I can get some more so I can finish that section. So I'm not going to stuff it yet. I'm just going to kind of put it over here as a placeholder. Yep. Didn't have any star notes, and I checked this time, so I won't have another debacle. All right, so gas gets 150. How am I doing gas? 50 and 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay. Grocery, I'm not finished with this week, so I didn't clear this out, but I'm going to go ahead and put the money in here because the grocery money is actually in my wallet, and I'm not stuffing my wallet until Sunday. So grocery is getting 360. So that's 300, 20, 40, 50, 60. So that's 50, 100, 50, 200, 50, 300, 20, 40, 50, 60. From the normal 375, because I already told you I was short. And then I'll determine on Sunday what I'm going to try to save from that. But we'll get there. And then eating out's the same. I still have $15 in my wallet for eating out, but I'm going to go ahead and stuff eating out. And it's getting 125. I'm doing really good. That's 100, 10, 25. That was the rest. Okay. So yeah, I'm doing really good on eating out just because I'm just saying no, and I'm cooking and it's working. So that is 125 in eating out. And I am all done and ready for the next 2 weeks. If you guys have any questions, leave them down there in the comment section below. Until next video, you guys take care and stay safe.